Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a video of how to do this lovely double bow twilly. Now, I buy my twillies off of Amazon and it comes in a large packet with a lot of different designs, but this is normally the design I use on single handle bags. So let me show you how I do this first and then I'll show you how I put it in the bag. So as you can see here, these are all the different designs that I have. I'm just going to pick one and then I'm going to show you how I do it. So let's just go with this one. This one's pretty. It's like black and gold. Just going to open this up. The reason why I buy these on Amazon is because while it is satin and not silk, when these do fall apart, you can just easily replace them, and I don't feel like I'm going to break the bank just to have a really nice twilly. So I'm going to show you how to get this double bow first. All right, what you're going to do is you're going to take this, you're going to fold it once, then you're going to fold it twice. So you want to have it folded like this, okay? You can make it as big as you want. You just have to make sure that no matter what size you do it, you have enough left over to wrap it on the handle. All right. So what you do is you take this, and what you're going to do is you're hold it in the center, and then you're going to wrap it around. And then you have to tie it through this knot. So you're basically tying a knot. You can readjust it once you kind of get it. So you just push it towards the middle. As you can see, it's coming along nicely. And as you tighten it, then we'll fluff it out in a bit. Right. All right, there we go. It's really that easy. All right. So you can see here, we have this one right here, this one right here, and then over here, we have this bow, tighten it some more. So this one, normally what I do is I just wrap it around and tuck it in here. Some people just like to leave it out, but that is all your preference. It's just the leftover part. So I normally just tuck it in like that and it works. So there you go. It's a double bow. It's really that easy. Okay, now the question is, as you can see here, it's about the same. I think this one, yeah, they're about the same size. All right, so if you see here, all you have to do now is wrap it. So how I wrap it in purses is completely different. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I wrap it on my Louis Vuitton purse. All right, so what I like to do is I like to stick it through this hole. The reason why I like to stick it through this hole is because it helps keep the bow like this. I particularly like the bow to look like this from the side. You can do it however you like. This is just the best method that I have found. And then you just got to tie it up like you normally would. I like to do it nice and tight. And then I spread it out to cover it completely. Sometimes you may have to adjust it if you get to the end and you don't have enough left, but I think I will be okay. Now, I'm not sure this is a color that I normally would put on this color bag, but the nice thing about buying them on Amazon is that you get so many options. So you can try out different colors and styles depending on what color you're wearing that day if you want to match. Ooh, this is gonna look so nice. Okay, gonna keep tying it. All right, as you can see, I timed it. The length is perfect, so I'm just gonna go ahead here and I'm going to, let me tuck it in. So normally I don't have a lot like hanging left over, so I just kinda, I don't know if you can tell what I'm doing. I'm just gonna like tuck it in here. That way it closes up nicely like this. So I make sure it's nice and tight, and then I kind of just tuck it in. Gives it that really nice clean look. All right, there you go. How gorgeous is this? So I have the bow facing like this. I tie it like this. Now, if you wanted to, you can make it So if you have a longer one, you can make it so it hangs off. Personally, I like this style because I think it looks nice and clean, but you can do it where, let me see if I can show you. So I think I tied it too tight up here. So if you add like more space in between, so you get it like this, so you have more left over, what you can do is you can tie a knot like this, loop this down here. Let's see if I can get this just right. There we go. So that way you have a little left hanging over. All right, there you go. So you can see here, you have the bow, lovely, positioned like that. And this, you can have this hanging out this way, like that. I think this looks amazing. Now, this is how I do it for this bag style. Sometimes I can have the bow facing like more towards that direction, but for me personally, I find that this is the best way to do it on this style of a bag, and I think it looks adorable. Now, this is the current one that I am using for this bag, but I just wanted to show you guys how I do the double bow and how easy it is with a twilly. So hopefully you guys find this useful. Let me know if you guys like to do the double bow on a single handle bag, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!